Applying kajal in your eyes is an age-old tradition, not only in Bharat, in India, but at different corners of the world. Have you ever thought why applying kajal in eyes used to be so important in our ancient times? But today, when we speak to doctors, they suggest that you should not put anything inside your eyes, which is absolutely logical because all the kajal you are getting in market is not exactly the kajal which we used to put in our eyes in our older times or ancient times. This is more of the chemical, and eye is a very, very sensitive part of your body. And if you apply anything that has chemical in it, that is definitely going to harm your eyes. But what if I tell you that there is one kind of kajal which is made with an ancient technique, and you can make it at home easily, simply, and then you can make kajal at home with this technique, and you apply this kajal in your eyes, and trust me, what to say of adverse effect to your eyes, this kajal can actually improve your eyesight, can take away several diseases related to your eyes, and is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful way to keep your eyes healthy. Well, if you want to know this recipe, let's get started. To make this kajal, very first ingredient we need is neem leaves. So I'm going to take these neem leaves fresh from the plant. Now wash these neem leaves and then take a silbatta. We should not grind it in the grinder. Rather, we need to mash it as shown in the video. And make sure that you do not grind them in the grinder, otherwise the taste of your grinder will become very bitter, and anything that you will prepare in the grinder next will also become bitter. So we should do it on the silbatta and take the paste entirely from silbatta. So this is the technique as shown in the video. Now our paste is absolutely ready. Now we have this cotton batti. We are going to apply this neem paste on this cotton batti like this. So make sure that the entire cotton batti is absolutely covered with this neem paste, and we need to keep it for dry, not in the sunlight but inside the house. That's important. Let these neem soaked battis dry for some time. When I say some time, it is like more than 5 to 6 hours. Now these battis are ready and absolutely dried. We are going to lit a deepak with the pure cow desi ghee. It's important. Otherwise, if you have pure mustard oil, then that can also be used. We all know how to make deepak. Just as shown in the video, just cover the fire with a vessel, and all the black part is deposited once deepak is full. Now we are going to add few drops of cow desi ghee in this black carbon which is being deposited in the vessel, and your kajal is absolutely ready. Your medicinal kajal is ready. You can apply it every day in your eyes, and you're going to get wonderful benefits out of it. So this was the recipe of this kajal. You can make it at home very easily, and do share with us once you are done making this and you start applying it. I apply it every day and I have seen wonders happening with this kajal. If you have any other question or any other query which you want to share with us and you want us to make a video on that, do not hesitate to just drop a message here, or you can join me at Instagram Acharya Pratishtha ji, or Facebook Acharya Pratishtha ji, or Twitter @A_Pratishtha. That's all for today. Lots of love, light and blessings. Stay happy, stay healthy. Hari Om. Namaste.